Ladies and gentlemen, this is what a stuck throttle looks like in a Focus RS. It led me to be in an accident a couple days ago. It's idling at 3,000 RPMs. Look at that. My feet are nowhere near the pedal. Look at that. See? Oh, look. Now, let's press it. It's even worse. Oh, now it dropped. See that? It's idling at a normal RPM range. So let's try that again. Oh, look at that. Look, foot is off. Hangs there for a little bit. Look. Oh yeah, look, foot's not even on. It's going up, it's going up. It's going up. By itself. I'm not doing anything. Look at that. My feet aren't on the fucking pedal. It's at 4,500 RPMs. Just sitting there. Just sitting there hanging, going up to 5,000. Going up even further. This is not safe to drive. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna top it. Come on. Shit. It's gonna blow up my engine. Fuck. Fuck. It's not going down at all. Oh, I picked it up with my toe and it went back down. Look at that. It's the throttle, it's the pedal. It's getting stuck. Yeah. Well, there's gonna be a lawsuit. So just